Hey there, home cooks! Today I'm taking you on a culinary journey to Ghana with a delicious okra soup recipe. Trust me, this one's a winner. First things first, grab a medium-sized salmon and a pound of smoked turkey. Traditionally, folks use beef, but smoked turkey gives it a unique twist. Now, you'll need a pound of okra, Ghanaians call it OKRO. Chop half of it and grate the other half. The smaller you cut it, the better the draw. Next, get your veggies 3 garden eggs. Substitute with aubergines if you can't find them, 2 cloves of garlic, 3 medium tomatoes and 1 large onion. Don't forget a teaspoon of grated ginger and 2 chili peppers, ground or finely chopped. Oh, and you'll need a half cup of mushrooms. Start by soaking the garden eggs and okra for about 10 minutes. Then transfer them to a pot and boil until the garden eggs turn translucent. Remove from the flame and set aside. In a separate pot, heat up a half cup of palm oil. When it's hot, toss in the chopped onion, grated ginger, ground chili pepper, bouillon cubes and garlic. If you like a bit more ginger, feel free to add some ground ginger too. As the mixture softens, add the tomatoes and mushrooms. Let it simmer gently. Now throw in the smoked turkey and salmon. Once they're cooked, add your boiled okra mixture. Mix everything by turning from the bottom of the pot to the top. Allow it to cook for another 10 minutes. Remember, the okra goes in last to avoid overcooking. And there you have it. Delicious okra soup, ready to serve. Traditionally, it's enjoyed with banku, but I personally love it with rice. Enjoy this taste of Ghana in your own kitchen. Happy cooking, everyone!